Yeah, in this lecture, we are going to see the service-based PO, how to create a service-based PO, and how we can settle it to a not settle it, how we can create a MIRO against that particular PO. So first, we'll go to ME21N, and the first thing which we are going to do is select our supplier and go to header data. Give all the informations which is related to header, that is our purchase organization. Just scroll down, or I will just type Tata Motors UN. So this is my purchase organization, and this is my TMN is my purchase group, and company code is Tata Motors. Tata Motors US. Yeah. So this is my company code, and under item overview, will provide all the information. So here I will just enter 10. Global, I will not enter anything. Here from the account assignment, to create a service PO, we will go with a account assignment. So you can create a service order or a something, just like a I will go with a account assignment. Then here material will not give anything. In the short text, we'll give a service base PO 01, and quantity I will call it as one quantity. Here it will be each the delivery date. So today's date, net price, I will give it as 10, 1. It is each material group. I am giving a service material group, and the plan details and the storage location details. After that, after providing all the information at the item level, go to here. Let me give the information GL account details. So for GL account, you have to go to item overview and give here GL account and the cost center details. So GL account, I will give it as rent, and the cost center will go for US rent. Okay, here I will give the amount. Basically, it should not ask the amount, so there is some configuration related things I might have missed, so that is okay. So this is how the amount and every all other details which is required we have entered. So we are good, and we'll cross check whether this is good to pay or not. So we don't have any error messages. What I will do is I will time being I will remove the goods receipt. So against this we will not receive any goods. So we'll receive the goods receipt and we'll post the transaction. So the PO 200059 is been posted. Copy this PO /n, and I will go to MIRO document now. Give the PO details and the posting date details here. Reference I will call it as service PO 001, and the amount I will give it as 10,000 and press enter. So check what are the error message which you have. Yeah, we have not provided the jurisdiction, just provide the jurisdiction and press enter. Okay, so no other information is needed. It is good to post. Let's go and post the document. Press enter here. So the document got posted 5100. If you want to see the document, click on display Go to invoice document, click on display, follow on document, click on this. You can see the follow on document. It is posted to a rent account. And also parallelly, if you want to check your purchase order, go to ME23N, close this one. You can see the document here. Double click on the purchase order history, and here you will see the invoice details. Select this one, and you can see all the information like follow and document and all. Okay, so this is how the service PO can be created. Thanks.